What is Metrodeal.com? Metrodeal.com is a website that presents you the best deals for less via vouchers or coupons for restaurants, travel, entertainment, and many more. On top part of the page, it says, "What are you looking for?" You can simply type any keywords on the search bar and it will give you a list of merchants associated with it. You can also notice that Metrodeal.com is very organized. They have the following clickable parts. All to extract all merchants in one place. Restaurants that are divided by subcategories from bakery, cafe, buffet to vegetarian that would help you create a narrow list for an easy decision-making process. Exciting Activities provides you the following options: experiences, learning and studies, leisure sports, other, and workout or fitness. If you are looking for self-care, hover your cursor on spa, beauty, and wellness. It gives you the following choices: beauty treatments, body slimming and fat reduction, laser surgery, eyelash, facial treatments to spa. Travel and getaways are perfect if you want to relax alone, with peers or family somewhere. It has accommodation, day tours, hotel and airfare, and transport. Shopping and products are full of items from automotives, baby and toddler, cameras, computers, and laptops to watches. Beside the Vouchers tab, there is a tab called Metro Delivery. The concept is for takeout and delivery options. You can use it on a daily basis, except if there are special instructions from the merchant, like it is not valid for holidays. You need to check it out on the voucher. To narrow down your search, you can pick from Makati, Caloocan, Las Piñas to Cebu. If you want to sell with Metrodeal, go ahead and move your cursor on Sell on Metrodeal and follow the instructions. If you encounter any trouble or issues, Metrodeal.com is only an email, phone, or chat away from you. Click on their Contact Us. When you sign up and buy vouchers, you will see these interfaces. You should see your total saved money, which is a great strategy in your budget decisions, validity, and voucher codes. You don't need to print out the vouchers anymore. Just click the View Voucher, save it on your phone, and present it in the merchant. Very convenient and user-friendly. Before purchasing any vouchers, you should see the original price and the discounted price. Therefore, you can check on the merchant's websites or stores if they also stated the correct price. But so far, in my experiences, you are really saving money when using Metrodeal vouchers. I tried their offers from Wenches Spa, Burgo Pizza, Skinfinity Massage, and Ortiz Clinic.